How to ensure financial security after a divorce settlement. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Finalizing your divorce may feel like the end of a long road, but it's also the start of your next chapter. One of the most important things you can do moving forward is to make sure you've set yourself up for long-term financial security. Let's talk about how to do that after your divorce settlement is finalized. First, review your divorce judgment carefully and make sure all financial obligations are clearly understood. This includes support payments, asset transfers, debts, and timelines. Knowing exactly what's been agreed to helps you stay on track and avoid costly mistakes. Next, rebuild your financial foundation. Open bank accounts in your name only, update direct deposits and auto payments, and create a new budget based on your post-divorce income and expenses. It's your chance to start fresh with a plan that supports your independence. We helped a client who didn't realize her retirement account still listed her ex as a beneficiary. Once we walked her through the post-divorce checklist, she updated all her accounts, took control of her finances, and started saving with confidence. At Divorce 661, we don't just handle the paperwork. We help clients build real-world financial systems that support life after divorce. From checklists to referrals for trusted financial advisors, we help cover every angle. Also, don't forget about insurance and estate planning. Update beneficiaries, revise your will or trust if you have one, and make sure your health, life, and auto insurance reflect your new situation and protect what you've retained. If you finalized your divorce and want to make sure you're set up financially for the future, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you secure what's yours, stay organized, and step confidently into the next chapter of your life.